On the second day of Chhat Mahaparva, and Kharna will be celebrated today. On this day, the devotees observe fast from the morning and the evening for the prasad, for the worship is prepared for Chhati Maiya. After this, the devotees consume prasad of kheer and then the Nirjala fast begins. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I am talking about the auspicious prasad that is prepared for the Chhat Puja known as Kharna. Kharna is celebrated on the second day of Chhat festival. On this day, people fast from morning to evening and eat in the evening. This is called Kharna, and in the scriptures, Kharna means purifications. There is a tradition of making Chhat Puja prasad on this day. Kharna is celebrated on the 5th day of Shukla Paksha of Kartik month. It is believed that Chhat Mata fulfills all the wishes of those who observe Chhat Mata's fast and follows the rules of Chhat. Kharna is also called Lohanda in some part, and on the day of Kharna, women observe fast for the whole day, which is done for the purity of mind and the soul. On this day, prasad is prepared for Chhati Maiya. Special attention is paid to the purity of the prasad. On the evening of the Kharna, kheer made of jaggery is offered. In some places, this kheer is also called rasiya. The special thing is that the entire prasad of the mother is prepared on an earthen stove. When the prasad is ready, it is given first to the fasting person, after which the whole family enjoys the prasad. On this day, Lord Surya is also worshipped, and the fasting person also sings songs of Chhati Maiya. In Kharna, along with kheer, pitha prepared from milk and rice, and ghee coated rice are also prepared. Along with this, the main prasad of Chhat, Thekua, is also prepared. It is believed that Chhat Puja is incomplete without Thekua. On the day of Kharna, the fasting person mentally prepares himself or herself for the Nirjala fast, and purity is very important in this entire fast. After consuming the prasad of kheer in the evening, the fasting person begins the Nirjala fast of about 36 hours and ending on the last day after offering Argha to the rising sun. After Nahai Khai, the worship of the sun and the Nirjala fast will begin in 2024, that is on 5th November with Kharna. Argha will be offered to the setting sun on the evening of 7th and to the rising sun on the morning of 8th. The Chhat Vratis will break their fast after offering Argha to the rising sun. After offering Argha to the rising sun in the morning, every Vrat person will take food and water. The main prasad of this festival is Thekua, which is made of flour. After from this, Bhuswa, that is rice flour laddu, is also offered. On the day of Kharna, all the items are made in a pure ghee. For Chhat Puja, dauda, soup, suthani, lemon, small lemon, sweet potato, ginger leaf, peanuts, red paddy rice, turmeric leaf, coconut, amla, water chestnut, pineapple, sugar cane, incense stick, and kalash are the main things. Thekua, made of wheat flour, is the main prasad in Chhat Puja. Chhat Puja is considered incomplete without it. Apart from this, kasar is made from rice flour. All the items of prasad are made very cleanly. Fruits related to nature are offered, such as sugarcane, ghagar lemon, radish, law, turmeric, banana, sweet potato, and water fruit are the most important. The work of making prasad start on the day of first evening, Argha of Chhat. On the second day, prasad is kept in the soup. Then after placing the puja item in dhauda, men carry it on their heads to the ghat. The great festival of Chhat Puja is dedicated to sun god and the Sashti Mata. On this day, women observe a waterless fast for 36 hours for the health and longevity for their children. Chhat Puja begins with Kharna along with Nahai Khai. Kharna is said to have a special importance in this great festival. There is a special tradition of making jaggery kheer in the day of Kharna. On this day, women fasting make jaggery kheer and roti on a new earthen stove in the evening and offer argha to the sun. Chhat Mahaprasad Thekua, dates and other things are made on the day of Kharna. Kharna is considered very difficult. It is said that the women who observe the difficult fast for this great festival with complete rules, all their wishes are fulfilled and their family members never face any kind of troubles. From Creations Lab, wishing you all a happy Chhat Puja. May Chhati Maiya fulfill all your wishes. Fill your life with peace, prosperity and happiness. Meet you all in a next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.